Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find templates for CapCut. So if you want a recording video with trending template and make your videos go viral, or simple you want to have fun with templates, you are in right place. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. The first step is to open any web browser on your device. I will go on Chrome. When you open your browser, going on search file by tapping on this, then you need to type CapCut templates. After that, the Google show you multiple websites and multiple viral templates on your screen, so I will go on first one. When you come on this menu, you can see multiple trending templates. I will leave link of this website in description of this tutorial. Now, tapping on ant template you want to use, I will tap on this. Then, Google sends you on CapCut, and you need to click on Use Template. While follow the steps this template asks you, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.